Hey, good morning. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with my health. My thing is monitoring and figuring out how to get more data points to see if I can figure out what's going on and if I can figure out a way to repair it. Okay, so that study on the damage to the mitochondria in our muscles, where they have a hard time uptaking oxygen. So here's my thing. I decided that I'm going to monitor myself on my treadmill, and I'm going to use a pulse ox to monitor my blood oxygen levels. So when I start out, I monitor what they are, because what I'm thinking is I want to keep them over 95. So that's my goal, is that whatever I'm doing, I have to keep it over 95. And so you can see, like right now, my speed is 2.2 and my incline's 5. So it's not even that I'm doing much, but this is going to be the 4th time that I've worked out in pretty much succession. So I did 2 days in a row, and then I skipped a day, and then I did the 3rd day, and then I skipped a day, and today's the 4th day. It's not even that I'm doing this for a long time. I'm just trying to see, what's happening, how do I feel, how am I breathing? I can tell you today, I don't know about you, but like sometimes I get this really congested feeling on my chest, like there's a weight there. And so today, that feeling's kind of strong. So what I found on the 3rd day is that I was going at a speed of 3, and I had to drop it down to about 2.2 because I went up to 3 and my oxygen levels were at 92 and they wouldn't come up. So I dropped the speed way down, and that got my oxygen levels up. I can tell you today, I'm feeling just more restricted in the bronchi, and almost kind of like there's some sort of weird spasm going on. So I'm going to start at 2.2, and we'll do this for a bit, and we'll see how it goes. Now you can see it's kind of early in the morning, and I prefer to do this like first thing in the morning after I get up. Today I actually ate an orange before I did this. I usually don't eat until around noon, but today I ate an orange because I don't know, I just thought that maybe my blood sugars were going to be off. So I haven't done any of my supplements today. I take a ton of supplements, and that seemed to be really instrumental the last time. So I'm hoping that they'll be really instrumental this time. I'm just going to walk and monitor my oxygen levels and see what I can do today. You can see I'm only at about 6 minutes, but what I like is my blood oxygen levels are staying good and my beats per minute are staying really good. That congestion, that like spasming, or I don't know what it is, it's like there's a weight in your bronchi, that seems to be going away. So I don't know. I think I might try increasing the speed here and just see what happens. Okay, I'm at 2.5, and what's crazy is that actually feels pretty good. So that's kind of crazy. So I guess I'll stay at that. I almost feel like today that I want to go up higher than that, but we'll just stay here for a while, because what happens is Like the first time that I was on here monitoring this with the pulse ox, something happens. You know, I'll feel that real constriction, and then I don't know, I think what happens is the beats per minute goes up, my blood oxygen will go down, and it'll happen for like a second, and it just feels like a dam's breaking loose. And then after that, you know, I'm doing fine and I can keep on exercising. So today, the right side of my lungs feels really good. It's the left side which feels really kind of constricted. So in Chinese medicine, they say the right side is about something that's happened recently, and then the left side is about something that's happened like a long time ago. So this is really fantastic. If I'm going to do 20 minutes, then, you know, I'm halfway through this exercise and I'm feeling really good. We're at 2.5. Look at, this is really good for me. My oxygen levels are 97, 98. My beats per minute is going up because it's so much work for me to walk. I think I might try taking this up again. Okay, we'll try it at 3 and see how I do with that. Okay, so I've been doing this for about 2.5 minutes, and of course, my beats per minute is getting up a little bit high, but my blood oxygen's still good. So I'm excited about that. And I'm just going to keep the pulse ox on right now, so it's going to keep on beeping because obviously me doing a quick walk is like really exhausting for myself. So but I want to make sure that my blood oxygen stays above 95. If it goes below that, well, then I'm going to slow down. So I can tell you, I just kind of felt a little bit of a spasm about right here. And that heavy sensation in my left lungs just lightened up. Here's the crazy thing. Look what happened to my pulse ox. 97 over 109. Okay, so we've been at 3 for about 6 minutes, and here's where my pulse ox is. It's 96 over 140, and it's been wavering between 95 and 97. So I'm pretty excited about that. And I don't feel too bad. I'm still at 3. I made it over to my 20 minutes, which is usually where I stop. My pulse ox looks really good. It's 97 over 143. Oh, so the beats per minute, kind of high, but the oxygen stayed good. You know, and like I said, I don't know, back around 15 minutes or so, I hit that point where you really just want to keep on going. But, you know, I don't know what's going on with my body, so I'm just going to continue to play it cautious. I'm going to stop here because I'm pretty happy with what's happened today. I didn't have any irregular drops in oxygen. So You know, it's just my beats per minute, which if this was the normal world, that would just suggest that I'm wickedly out of shape. But this isn't the normal world anymore, right? So, because when this happened, I was mountain biking South Mountain Park for 2-3 hours. And if I can do that at 1,000 feet elevation, I certainly should be able to walk, but you know, I can't. So it's not the same world. It's a great time to be a hypochondriac because you really got to advocate for your health today. Okay, until next time, I'll catch you on the other side.